with the power of editing. Let's see what's going on. That's what sucks about the junkyard. Sometimes you get good stuff. Sometimes you get some BS. Dang, I don't like that gap at all. How that hood looked though compared to last time. Look at that. Still need to get a headlight. Just little stuff, you know what I'm saying? Cost me nothing to do this. How you like it though? Hopefully I can get this down a little bit. I hope. We'll see. Other than that, easy project done. Only took about a day. My whole day off. I said, you know what? I ain't doing nothing. Let me go ahead and put this together. A little dent right there. Like I said, sometimes you win some, sometimes you lose some from the junkyard, but you beat going to the dealership, giving them all your money. Just need to get 3 more LTZ wheels. Let's go see how this looks on the other one. I know I can't do nothing about this. It is what it is. Compared to this, dang, that's crazy. Comment, subscribe, see what I do next. Yeah.